Yesterday only I have created a video related to 5-second strategy, and most of my VIP copy trader liked that strategy and they tested that strategy and they were able to make some profit. And in that video also I have made 6 wins in a row and 1 was lost. So today what I have decided is I am going to use that exact strategy and make 3-4 trades, and let's see how much win rate we can achieve with this font. And I'm going to make $200 per trade in this 5-second strategy. So watch this video very carefully because it's going to be extremely helpful for you. And if you don't want to make binary options trade by yourself to lose and want to copy my trades automatically in your account, then do join my VIP copy trading channel. For that you need to firstly join my free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description of this YouTube video. And once you join that free Telegram channel, then you can read the instructions there on how you can join my VIP copy trading channel. So now without doing any delay, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to make all of these currency pair favorite that have over 90% payout, and all of that will appear at here. Just make these stars yellow in this way. Once you do this much, then just select the candlestick time frame as 30. That means each of these candles are forming in 30-second time frame. And then select the trading time frame 5 seconds. Just select this as 5, and in case if you are seeing a flag at here, just turn it into clock and select that as 5. Now you decide the amount that you want to invest in one trade. So the trading strategy is extremely simple. Let me show you. So right now here you can see 29 second, 28 second, 27. Now in 25 second, if it is green, just make trade by clicking on higher. And in 25 second, when 25 second shows in this timer, and if it is red, then just make trade by clicking on lower. This is the simple strategy that you can use to make profitable trades. Now in case if this timer is not showing in your account, then you can just go to this candles and here you can see enable timer. This may be off, so just turn it and your timer will appear at here. Now here you can see 27, 25. Now it is red, just make trade by clicking on lower. Now of course not all of your trades are going to go right, but maximum of your trades are going to go right. So now what I will do is I will just keep quiet and make few trades, and if we lose like 1 or 2 trades in a row, then I will stop trading. So let's get started, and don't forget to like this video after watching this video.